Hello. In the previous video, we got acquainted with the rules for filling in personal data for calculating your salary. Now let us get down the business your calculation. Let's start at the top. The first section shows the rate of the invoice that is billed to you as a customer and any fees. The next section shows the contributions of all employers to Social Security and the pension fund. These are the contributions that must be paid based on your gross salary. Detailed information about all contributions can be found in the section FAQ. What are the individual lines in the salary calculator? Usually, employees in Switzerland only know their gross salary, but since we want to be completely transparent, we want to show you all deductions from your total all-in rate. Social insurance is the most important institution for social protection in Switzerland and is financed by these contributions. Solidarity is the basic principle here. This means that the risks are shared by all insured persons. Some of the contributions you will also find as a deduction from your gross salary later on. That's because those are split half-half between employer and employee. And maybe you are wondering what the contribution to collective employment is? I would like to explain that as well. All employees whose wages are below a legally defined threshold are covered by the collective labor agreement. The currently valid limit value can be viewed at www.tempservice.ch. For employees covered by the contribution to collective employment, a 13th month's salary is also shown on the calculation. So, if you're re-asking yourself, why is there family benefit listed to my calculation, even I have no children? Don't be alarmed. This is not a mistake on your calculation. In Switzerland, the employer contributions are standardized. For this reason, we must pay these contributions for all our employees independent of the personal situation of the individual employee. So, minus all deductions, all the social insurances in this section from the all-in rate, you get your gross salary. It is made up of your base salary and compensation for public holidays and vacation. If you are covered by the contribution to collective employment, as explained earlier in this video, a 13th month's pay also shown on your calculation at this point. Public holidays are not paid when they actually occur but are compensated with 2% of your gross income every month, whether the month has several public holidays or none at all. On a public holiday, you will have a day off but not receive a salary specifically for that day, as you receive your compensation monthly. The compensation for vacation, however, is kept aside and paid when you have actually taken vacation. As you can see, there are also some deductions from your gross salary. There are again social insurance and pension fund contributions, but much less than in the employer section. If you are subject to source tax, you will find that the source tax is deducted from the net salary before tax. The net salary after tax is what will finally be transferred to your bank account. We are already at the end of our video. I hope you liked it. It isn't as complicated as it first seems is. Ciao and see you soon in our next video.